everybody. Let's start our animal show. This show was a lot of fun for everyone. The dog says woof, 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 woof. The wolf says aum, 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 aum. The horse says neigh, 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 neigh. The elephant says pawoo, 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 pawoo. The dog says woof, 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 woof. The wolf says aum, 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 aum. The horse says neigh, 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 neigh. The elephant says pawoo, 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 pawoo. Woof, pawoo, neigh, pawoo. This is how animals talk to you. The cat says meow, 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 meow. The bear says growl, 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 growl. The cow says moo, 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 moo. The lion says roar, 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 roar. The cat says meow, 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 meow. The bear says growl, 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 growl. The cow says moo, 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 moo. The lion says roar, 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 roar. Meow, growl, moo, roar. This is how animals say hello. That was fun. See you later. Bye-bye.